lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. Half piss pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win, but my back is the road. Rockin' off white, so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend, well
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ron Great back here with another video. You know say a 2021 shit. We done with the little play video them dog. We are coming with some top video. Zed. So no subscribe to me, subscribe to Rika record, right? It's a little featured cause but I take switch. Yeah, Rick. We are switch turn, so me go first and Rick go second. First, second. So subscribe to Rick music channel, Immortal Music. Just subscribe. Everything we see for Rick, just subscribe and follow. You see? So I'm here with
Penny.
Dev.
Alright, so Penny and Dev on the list of Alkaline, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so may I say a line out time lyrics and see if you remember. That cool? Alright, so after all.
That them just a wait for a call.
We're rifle you up on a wall.
Alright.
Alright, so channel. I sing piece of Alkaline, you see it? Alright, so channel. After all.
Dog, just a wait for a call.
Alright, no bad. My girl, you a man anytime in the wine behind.
No, I don't know that one.
Yeah,
boy, if you don't
and alright. Everything is gonna make sense soon.
Tell them the yellow moon.
Alright.
I'm here with?
Shafire.
Alright, Shuffle, I'm undergrad, right? So you list the Alkaline, right?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so may I say a look line out time lyrics and see if you remember. Just in case, that right?
Yeah, man, that good.
Alright, so everything is gonna make sense soon.
Alright. Hold on. Everything is gonna make sense soon. Remember.
Alright. What the fuck? No,
Remember you, remember.
damn, I just wait for the car.
Two rifle each up on a wall.
Dev?
Four rifle each up on a
Bro, I have to lean up on a wall. Go on around.
Alright,
What that money though?
It's an interview now, do me.
no.
So there. Shot. Alright. So I think piece of Alkaline. I say that. So after all. Dog them still wait for a call. Alright. Everything is gonna make sense soon. Get the band-aid and put it over the wound. Alright. Let's kill us with a response. Hot binds in our face, pussy, we know this. You deaf? Alright.
Yo, you pass, man. Pass.
They dumped me until I broke out my cocoon. If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. Half piss pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win, but my back is the road. Rockin' off white, so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend.